Hello, 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 hello. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Salendra. Good evening, Epic Diversity. I choose BTech in Electrical and Electronics. Okay, fine. So, first of all, very good evening to all. Very good evening, very good evening. And now, in today's class, since it's only 5 minutes left, guys, 5 months left for your gate examination, and your countdown is started. So I am here to give you an exact clear cut what are the things that you have to take care of before attempting a gate examination. Very good evening to all. I choose BTech Electrical Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Okay, fine. So now, why this presentation is important? Because this presentation will give you what you have to do before writing your gate, EC, EE and all. If suppose some students are writing, for example, electrical with electronics, means both paper, or some are choosing electronics plus instrumentations, and some are choosing E plus IN. These are the combination also we are going to cover. And the point is that, thank you Ayush, thank you Venkata. NIT Calicut में पावर सिस्टम आया मुझे अच्छे कोर जॉब के लिए कैसे अप्रोच करना. In the last, I will give you all your queries and all. Okay, but let's start this presentation, guys. Now, in today's session, what is this? What is the motive behind this particular session? Is that we have to cover each and every scenario that is required for your complete GATE examination, and I will give you clear roadmap that what you should do and what you should not do. Means in these 5 months, in this upcoming 5 months, August, September, October, November and December, because January is completely for your that is the revision, that will not only help to clear your GATE exam with the good marks, but will also give you a confidence for preparing not only GATE examination but any of your competitive examination like ESC also, because ESC pre will also be there on the month of February 9th. I think 9th of February is the date. So now, guys, the first of thing is that since dates are announced, everything is in your hand. Don't wait for the time that whenever the proper notification will come, then only I will prepare. I will give you a exact complete roadmap that what you should follow. But before that, let me give you some kind of scenario what is present in your GATE examination. See there, what is the GATE actual scenario? I'm taking the last year data that is officially given by IASC Bangalore, and this is the data which gives you that how many candidates appeared and how many candidates actually got that is a 200 up to 200 rank, because that is required for your nothing but my complete PSU preparations, PSU interviews and all, and not only for PSUs but for your let's say IIT MTech preparation admissions only. So this is the data. I have only taken EE, EC and IN. Look at this. Look at the very interesting data they have disclosed. The data says that, see here, what this data says. This data says that this is the registered candidate and this is the appeared candidate. Look at the difference. Look at the difference I have. See here. Just a minute. See here. Look at the difference that is there when you see that this is the registered candidate and this is the appeared candidate. Okay, fine. Yeah, okay. So look at this one. This is for EC, EE and IN, and when you see this, then number of registered candidate here is just 78,000, not crossing even 1 lakh. Number of registered candidate in EE is even lesser, 73,728, and look at the preparation completely fighting off these IN students, means 12,451 students only registered, and out of which they appeared in a very less number, like 63,000 only candidates appears here, and 59,599 is the candidate appeared in EE, and 9,900. What this data shows? This data shows one very important thing, that, see here, just guys. Yeah, sorry for the disturbance. One very important thing, that the competition is not too much, guys, in your complete GATE examination. See here, EC, EE, IN all have PSU's entries, and EC, EE, IN have max. EC, EE, IN, listen, just wait, guys. Sorry for the disturbance. Yeah, sorry for the disturbance. EC, EE, IN have a less number of candidates here, and see here, what is the percentage of qualification? See here, only 13,260 students qualified. And what is the qualifying mark? Look at the qualifying mark. For general, it is just a 25 marks, 25.7 marks for EE, and 32.7 marks for IN. What I am telling you is that just by mere looking at the data, you will see that the competition is just only for up to 15,000 students. Is it clear? Only 15,000 students, not more than that. Not more than that. See here, competition is just for 15,000 students. See here also 13,260, 12,596, and 1,978 students is qualified in the IN paper. So what I am saying is that, see here, for PSU, the general good mark is, for PSU, if you secure, let's say, 65 in EC or EE, or you will say in terms of rank, it is 200 rank AIR, then you will get all, I think, all majorly PSU entry. That is, all majorly interview call from all the PSUs, and all from, that is the IITs and IASC also, no matter what your branch of expectation is. Yes, you may say that, sir, data analysis and artificial intelligence will require less than 50 or less than 100. That is okay, but definitely you will get a call from IAC and IITs, and you have to fight an interview. So what my point is that, see that you have only competition with these candidates. These are the actual candidates. This is last year data. So this is the actual preparation you have to, this is the actual fight that you have to take care of. Okay, and according to your what is the qualifying score? Minimum qualifying score was 350. So if your qualifying score is from 65, nearly more than 65, it's okay, or let's say from 800 to 950, then you are in good position for getting that is a call from PSUs, or getting a call from, let's say, IITs. Now I have also, that is represented, what is the minimum and maximum marks offered in these branches. See here, look at the branch. The branch is 84, means in electronics and communication engineering, the maximum mark was 84.67. Don't look at this one. See here, and what is the maximum marks? The 77 marks, and 82.67 in nothing but my what? Instrumentation engineering. So look at this. The maximum mark is just a 84 to 85, and I am saying that if you have a 65, then also you will secure AIR up to AIR 200, or let's say 250 up to this. Is it clear? For securing a good IITs. I am talking about the old 7 IITs, and I am talking about the good PSUs, which is offered in ECEEIN branch. So the point is that you must have a good strategy, guys, for having this kind of nothing but my marks. And since time is very less, only 5 months is left, so you have some clear cut agenda that which subject I should pick and what in how much time I devote on that particular subject to get to secure at least this mark, 65 marks, 65 to 70 marks, because that is required only. Is it clear? So I have given you what kind of, that is the exam it is. Look at this. See here, only 28% of the marks is devoted for aptitude and nothing but my maths, and the rest is 72% is your core subjects. So what should be your agenda to come into nothing but my top 200 or let's say top 150? At least devote 1.5 hours daily in these subjects. 28% marks, if you just devote 1 hour starting from today, then definitely the chances for getting more than 20 is more. Is it clear? So please do not like this, that at the end I will cover this maths and aptitude, and I am going to cover let's say core right now, and till December I will cover core, and on the January I will cover this maths and aptitude. Mind that this kind of attitude will surely create a disaster in front of you. So if your preparation is balanced, then at least devote 1.5 hours daily for these 3 marks if you want to really secure good. And I have taken you the subjects here for ECE and IN, ECE and EE. The same thing is valid for IN also. IN, you have a 3-4 course like optical instrumentation, that is sensors and all, transducers and all. So this kind of core subject, except that the strategy is nothing but my same. See here, look at this. I told you that daily you have to cover at least 1.5 hours, irrespective of your branch, engineering, maths, aptitude. Along with that, these are the subjects that I have taken in terms of nothing but my order. See, if these are covering nothing but my 1, 2, 3, 4 subjects, then they are just like a what course, not a core subject, but they are very scoring subjects. If you cover these subjects by the end of, let's say, November, by the month of November, then surely definitely these core subjects, along with that these core subjects will definitely give you a into the race. So the point is that see here, while having this kind of preparation, you must have a clear-cut idea that which subject I choose on which month. For that I have taken you a roadmap also. I will give you what kind of roadmap here. These are the subjects. This I am calling it from here, I am calling it this to be the core subjects. This is the core subject, and this is non-core subject. So when I give you a roadmap and I say that you have to choose a core and non-core, then you must understand that what I want to say. Okay, so this is non-core subject. Okay, fine. Similarly, I have gathered all the subjects. EE syllabus is very very detailed and very comprehensive also. So EE students must choose the subject according to their time. So suppose if someone not yet started, let's say power system, electrical machine, or let's say power electronics, or these kind of subjects which takes more time, then please go for PS, that is a previous year questions, PYQs, rather than going comprehensive in a comprehensive manner. What I am saying is that since it requires, power systems requires more than 150 hours of complete comprehensive reading, and same as a power electronics, same is nothing but with the power system. So if you just covered blindly electrical machine, power systems and power electronics daily, then it will require more than 3 to 4 months to cover these subjects, and these subjects will give you weightage more than, let's say, 30 marks. But merely getting a 30 marks and creating all the subject in the toss, then will not fetch your motivation. So what should be your clear-cut planning? What should be your nothing but having some kind of strategy, some kind of motivation to behave, to prepare well. Now today I will give you address kind of thing. So I have given you, I am giving you a some kind of, that is a month-wise preparation strategy, which I feel that this is good plan, but that is depend on person to person. If you have some own plan, then please be strict on it, and please don't get deviated by this plan. That is for those who have not yet started, not have a journey, not have some kind of GATE background, and they are just waiting for GATE official notification. For them, if you start your subject, let's say 3 days left for July, let it be there. Let's start from 1 of August, 3 days you enjoy. Then you in the week one, see here, let's start from August. This is for August. I'm saying, let me change the color here. See here, this is from August. I'm saying, let's say first week you gather your syllabus and gather your material, and you must have some kind of study plan. Blindly do not enter into a particular subject. Please have some kind of plan. At least 3 days left, 2 more days you will take, and just take an overview of all the PYQs you have. Take a good PYQs and take all the overview of PYQs, and at least have some kind of nothing but my notes with yourself. Is it clear? If you have a topper notes, then take a photocopy of it, or otherwise in physics wala we offering you some kind of notes. So you must have a syllabus overview, you must gather the material, you must have some kind of study plan. Before that, please do not enter into this preparation, because otherwise you will surely do the time pass for the next 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, and at the month of October, November, you just join the any crash course, or let's say some kind of different courses, and surely it will not that is give you your correct result. Now in the week 1, start your core subject. Core, I told you that in core, that for ECE branch, EDC is there, communication is there. Good evening, Anurag. Communication is there, and EMFT is there, analog electronics. You will see this as a core here in ECE, and for EE, you will have, let's say, power system, power electronics, and some kind of things. Now, core subjects 1 you start, and in the week 2 with the core subjects 1, because it's a very lengthy, so continue with the core subjects 1, make a note taking and do the daily practice. And you must have some kind of conceptual clarity. For this, you will join a good coaching, or you will have some good free YouTube initiative if you are preparing by your own. This is nothing but my complete week 1 and week 2 plan. Now in week 3, since see here 15 days is left, 15 days, try to cover any subjects, in 15 days. So what I'm saying is that, see, this in this 15 days, try to cover at least core subject 1. Very good evening. In the, let's say week 3, start the core subject 2. First week, just start a core subject 2. Do the regular revision of your core subjects, or if you have, let's say, some kind of Telegram groups, you are let's say entering into some kind of coaching framework, then enter into it, and along with that, give a test also. Test wise preparation is very important here. So whenever you are, let's say, preparing for example, then please do give test. It is very important. Otherwise your preparation will go into hail. Is it clear? If you are not giving test, always students have a fear of giving a test. Mind it that this kind of attitude will surely destroy your preparation. So if subject is prepared in 15 days for example, then 15 days, after 15, let's say 17, 18 days, after proper revision, give a test here. Take any test, continue core subject 2, because you have just started here, and focus on the weak areas of these 2 subjects. After this one, after these 15 days, week 3 and week 4, 1 month is over. Now 2 different subjects are prepared. Is it clear? So core subjects, handle it properly. 15 days is required for completion. Have a target that 15 days I have, in 15 days I have to cover entire course. And suppose if the particular core subjects go lengthy and it requires more than that, then go change your mode, and please mind it that prepare for PYQs first. Is it clear? Take a particular topic, go for PYQs directly. Is it clear? And then in the PYQ mode preparation, you will complete it in 15 days, that is for sure. Then after, in let's say second month, start the core subject 3 here. So for example, if you are, let's say, starting with a power system, power electronics, then for example, if you have power system is completed, or let's say your machine is completed in 15 days, then start with the core subject 3. And of course, this is the thing which is required. Daily practice is required. Short notes making is required. Difficult topics. Online courses, if you want to purchase, then you can surely. It is very handy, and do daily revision. Is it clear? In the week 1, week 2, third subject is now preparing. Now, the fourth subject is, this is nothing but my, with this one core subjects, everywhere I have written a core here. Core subjects here. 4 subjects, 4 different subjects is completed. Now your core is over. So in the 2 month, is it clear? Week 3 and week 4 of month 2, your 4 core subjects is completed. 15 days target. Is it clear? And after that, revision is required. Daily revise, at least devote 1 day for only revision. So guys, prepare less but do revise properly. Is it clear? So if you have, let's say for example, 40 topics or 50 topics in one subject, then if you are able to prepare in 15 days, if you are able to prepare, let's say 30 topics and 10 topics are left, then my suggestion is that please revise these 30 topics. Is it clear? And then after, this is nothing but my core is completed. Now do revision. This is the third. Now then, advanced topics. What is the meaning of advanced topics? That non-core subjects. Non-core subjects, I told you that network, signals, control, digital, and let's say some other topics in your measurement you will have. These kind of subjects is there. Is it clear? Since 4 core is completed both for ECE and EE, then go for this one. Is it clear? Take 15 days also for that particular subject, but mind it that by just going into 15 days, see here, by just going into 15 days, but just go, see here, if you have, Bharat Kumar is asking that how to prepare for both EC and IN. Bharat, see here, what I am saying is that if you haven't prepared IN core branch, then just leave it. Prepare just the common point, because this is not the time for handling the core of both EC and IN at the same time. It's not possible at all. Is it clear? Since your time is very less. Point is that if you are, let's say, preparing for your ECE, taking ECE as a main paper, then prepare ECE as a main and take the IN syllabus, whatever common subjects you have, prepare for it. Is it clear? And if time permits, let's say you have 10-15 days left, then take 1 or 2 subjects of IN. Is it clear? That's what I am saying. So take the syllabus of EC and IN. You must have syllabus in front of you, and whatever common is there, make one preparation in a very smooth manner, and other preparation, other subject, other paper preparation in the common manner. Whatever the common says, just prepare it. Because if I say that prepare core for ECE, prepare core for IN, then surely you will not do anything. So self-study, how to take study material. Okay, I will come on that. Here, now since 4 cores is prepared, this is the third month, let's say August over, September over. Imagine that in August and September you have completed your 4 core subjects. Now start with a non-core. For the 2 months you have to prepare for non-core subject. Non-core subject means, I told you, signal, control, then digital electronics, and then what? Maths aptitude daily 1 hour, 1 to 1.5 hour practice. And the subjects I told you in the last year, see here, I told you, no, this subject, I gave you a subject, see here, this one, network analysis, control system, signal system, digital circuit. So these are the 4 subjects which takes a lesser time, and which comes, if this 4 subjects package is nearly about more than 30 to 35 marks. Is it clear? Similarly here also, see, network, control, signal, and analog and digital electronics, digital circuits. So these comes for nearly 30 to 40 marks, 35 marks, let's say in EE, 30 marks. Imagine 30 marks, but they will take you to prepare only on, let's say, 8 days, 9 days, not 15 days. Is it clear? So come to month 3. Yes. So advanced topics start here. Daily practice has to be there. Revise all the previous topics. Mock test analysis has to be there. Since I have told you that please give a mock daily after, that's the preparation of a subjects. So subject wise tests, topic wise test, that you have to cover. That I'm assuming that you are going this. Advanced topics 2 here, let's say 7 days if you are taking a preparation. If you have, let's say, weak background, then go for 15 days also, it's okay. Then advanced topic 2, regular revision, short test and discussion. Here also, see here in the week 3, this 15 days is nothing but my only for your revision, only for your revision. So 2 subjects handle in this month and revise everything here. See here, focus on the weak areas, what you have missed. Daily practice has to be there, revision has to be there, mock test has to be there in the week 1. I will give you this chart also. Consolidate knowledge means that application part has to be there, because in the GATE, nothing comes from theory, just comes from application. So you must analyze that, okay, fine, I have, let's say, analyze Fourier transform, then what are the applications of Fourier transform? These kind of things has to be there. Regular revision, focus on speed and accuracy. This is the time for taking these kind of, let's say, area. And mock test. Mock test has to be there. Daily mock test you have, at least, not daily, at least in the alternate days or in the 3 days you have to give one particular mock test. Mock test of the test may be of, let's say, chapter wise, subject wise, whatever. This is the 3rd month is over. Now 4th month. Focus mainly on PYQs. In the 4th month, let's say on the month of November. Let's say on the month of November, please focus on previous year paper. Previous year paper has to be there, Previous year papers daily at least you have to nothing but prepare for all the subjects. Daily revision, mock test, same thing is that focus on accuracy. Accuracy in terms of what? See here, accuracy in operating the scientific calculators, because these electronic calculators are not allowed in your GATE. So please, many students I meet that they make a calculation error. So these kind of errors should not be there, because it will cost you nearly for 2 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks, and definitely your rank will come into, let's say, if your rank is coming in 150 to 200, but because of calculation error, your rank will come to, let's say, 500. So this kind of cost will surely, nothing will give you pain. So accuracy has to be there. Now week 2, 4th month, solve more papers, regular revision, mock test, time management has to be there. Is it clear? Proper, you have to manage your time, and in this you have to start one or two more subjects depending on your nothing but my completion. In, let's say, week 3, this is the weak areas. This means that whatever you left with, this one will nothing but gather. So 4 week, consolidate learning, solve papers, daily revision, mock test. These kind of things I repeatedly write, because this is the way you will prepare. If you prepare, then surely you will success, means the chance of success is more. Then comes a 5 month. Now here it is required that, let's say, this is the month of December. Intensive revision is required. Revise properly all the topics you have. Just make a short notes and revise it. Revise it properly. You have to revise it. Is it clear? Yeah. So revise it. Analyze your performance, health, everything is there. Then final revision has to be there. Solve more paper, mock test paper and discussion. And then final touches is to be there. Means up to this I assume that your whatever the subjects you are taking here, is completed, and now you are giving you the final touches. Give as many mock tests. See, this point I have taken throughout the complete preparation. Test has to be given. Relaxation, plan, exam day and whatever. Final revision. See, this is the month of December, not the January. On January, I will give you the extra point. Final revision has to be there. Stay positive, mock test, and focus on your health. These are the 5-month, nothing but my complete preparation guides. On the 6th month, means since January is also left. See, August, September, October, November, December. This is the 5-month completion. And on the month of January, please revise as maximum as possible. Don't take a new topic, just revise. Just take all the PYQs and just give as many mock tests, as many, let's say, full length tests, which is possible. Now, guys, if you prepare in this way, tell me whether you will not able to get, let's say, 40, 45 systems. Those who are just preparing for, let's say, scorecard, whether you will not get a scorecard. Surely you will get. Only guidance is required. This is very, very important, please. What are the general tips? Consistency is very important, mind. See here, from let's say August onwards, at least make a target for preparation of for nearly, let's say, 8 hours is required, guys. 8 hours consistent preparation is required, not for 24 hours. Just 8-hour preparation is required. So you can adjust your time depending on morning or evening, whether you are working, whether you are not working, whether you are college goers or whatever. Just give at least 8 hours daily. And what is the meaning of stay updated? You must have a, let's say, syllabus in your hand. You must know that, okay, if this is the topic, for example, Laplace is the topic, from where I will cover the Laplace. And what are the points that I have to take care of? This kind of things has to be there. And always have a balanced approach. Balanced approach means balanced approach in doing a mock. Let's say, for example, if you are giving a mock and one subjects you will encounter, let's say, very tough questions, then don't get panic. That is for mock is. For example, in your actual gate paper, for example, communication comes in very tough or EDC comes in very tough, then you must be patient, because not communication and EDC is the subject will decide you. So the point is that you must have balanced approach. This you can test in your mock. And very important, self-assessment. So for example, if you made a mistake in Fourier transform by using, let's say, shifting property, then in the next time when the shifting property questions will come, then don't make a mistake. This is what the meaning of self-assessment. So for that you have a short notes. Is it clear? So please update your short notes properly, update the things, and mind it that these kind of things is required for your complete gate preparation. So these are the 4 things which I generally highlight while preparation. Because see here, now if you are thinking that a guy who is preparing from February will not take care of these 4 points, and I am starting from August, I am not able to compete him or her, then just you are in, let's say, dream. Mind it that if you start your preparation from August also, then in 5 months also, 15 days, one subject is sufficient. Means at least you will able to cover 8 to 9 subjects in your whole pool out of, let's say, 10 or 12. So just focus on these subjects which you, let's say, feel easy and which are scoring. Is it clear? And if you are covering, let's say, core paper, then please try to cover at least let's say PYQs and whatever the topics you feel you are in comfortable with. Is it clear? Point is that don't left any subjects, because if you, for example, if you left communication because of fear that communication has a very tougher problem, if communication comes easy, then surely your preparation will go into hell. That's what the point is. Is it clear? And hence, this is the thing that I want to tell you before starting your complete preparation. Hope this complete, let's say, presentation will help you in a whole 5-month utilizations. Now I am, let's say, answering your queries. Rajesh is asking, sir, I am pre-final year student from ECE preparing for 2024, but I am getting stuck on the type of topic communication EDC. Should I avoid this chapter? See, I am saying that in communication also, in EDC also, please at least find some topics which are easy. For example, in EDC, if you go for, let's say, semiconductor physics, then that's the easy part. Easily you can cover. Is it clear? For example, PN junction is easy. So cover the easiest topic, whatever you have. Communication, if you go for AM and FM, then it is easy. If you feel tough, let's say random variable, random process, leave it. But leaving a complete subject is not suggestible. Is it clear? So please do not leave these nothing but my subjects. Any other doubt if you have? How to prepare? I answered this. I answered how to prepare for both ECE and IN. Hope guys, this preparation will give you a clear cut answer. If you want this one, then I will give you a complete this notes in my Telegram notes. Pankaj Singh PW, just type and then you will enter into it. So thank you very much. Thank you for this presentation, and thank you that you attend this lecture, you listen this lecture. Okay, if you have, let's say, any doubt, then please do ask the doubt. Thank you very much. In my Telegram channel, whatever, please message me also, then I will give you answers also. Thank you very much.